Hey folks, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Stop Motion Studio to record a time lapse of the sun's motion. I already made a video, so you should be able to see that. But here is Stop Motion Studio. So Stop Motion Studio allows you to make a whole bunch of different movies. The one I just got done making is my time lapse. But if you're making something using Stop Motion Studio, just click on New Movie. And it'll give you a whole bunch of settings here. At any time, you can use the camera to take a picture of whatever you like. Pretty simple stuff there. What's going to make your video effective is using this. This is the timer. What this does is allows you to set your camera to take a picture at any interval you want. When you're doing a time lapse, it makes sense to run this up to the longest setting, so every 90 seconds. If you're doing something like just writing out your stop motion, or you just wanted to take a picture every second or so, you want to use something like this. When I made my time-lapse video, what I did is I set this relatively short setting for recording me writing down the text here, and then I cranked it up to 90 seconds for doing my actual video of the sun. So that's sort of how to use it. Let's do a quick demo here just so you see what I'm talking about. So let's say I set my timer for 1 second here and say done. When I hit the little record button, it'll take a picture every couple of seconds. So here it is taking pictures of me drawing a circle, crossing things out, saying hi, woo, whatever. Okay, so sorry for the bad handwriting. So now when I go back to my video, what I can see here is my newest video shows me doing all of those things. You'll notice it's playing pretty fast. If you want, you can always change the frame rate in settings here. If I want the frame rate to be at 1 frame per second, or say I want to speed it up 10 frames per second, or slow it down to say 1. Now when I play the same video, it goes a lot slower. It's a little too choppy at this point, but you can play with a couple different things. All right, when you're finally done with your video, you go back out to this main screen, and there's my movie. I hit select, click the movie that I want, and then I choose the mechanism for how I want to share it. I can just export my movie, which is the best way to do it, and then you choose how you're going to export it. I generally save it, and then maybe you upload it later on to YouTube or Flipgrid or whichever you're going to do. But if you want to save it directly to YouTube, you can do that as well. So upload to photos or whatever. Do that. All right, that's it. That's my quick tutorial. Hope that helps.